Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. I hope you're all doing well. We're in the lovely Icmeler and today we're at Andy's wardrobe and we're at the lovely by Yaman and we're going to take a look in store and show you what you can expect if you come to Icmeler. So let's see Wagwan, you all know the vibe. So let's have a look at all the clothes. So again, you've got all your sort of like polo tops, hoodies and all your sort of designer, good quality. So you've got like your Hugo Boss, Stone Island, everything you could want. You've got your jeans, again, good quality. And then you've got all your sort of t-shirts, you've got your North Face, all your different sort of selections. You've got your Aloe if you want your sort of sport, Lacoste.
And it is the deal prices, 3 for 25 pounds, all t-shirt.
Perfect.
Whatever you like, 10 pound each, 3 for 25 pounds.
There you go, so not a bad price. And again, they all come out really well. So when you wash them and you go home, they are good quality. You got your sets as well, so you got your
Short set as well, like
yeah.
I have it with the shirt one.
There you go. You got more of a smarter Prada one.
Yes, it is a good quality as well.
Oh yeah, that's very nice.
This is the popular one.
Yeah.
It's a nice and thick material, like.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice. And again, this is sort of like definitely with the younger crowd. Yeah.
And look, I have a football game as well.
And you got your kids as well.
Yeah, of course.
And then you got your women's vests.
Yeah, this is the woman's like selection.
Yeah.
All hoodies, blingy t-shirts.
Yeah.
Like I have everything, tracksuits.
Got your Guess, you got your Chanel, you got your Belmain, you got all of your Hugo, you got your Nike sports sets. So if you want to do this sort of sports bra and shorts, you got your hoodies, jerseys, got your white label, White Fox, Blakely.
This is my kids selection. All kids stuff is over here.
Okay.
Like kids t-shirt, £5 each.
Lovely. So all for the little ones if you're coming out of the family.
And this all is kids tracksuit like.
And then you got your little body warmers, which you definitely need in the UK.
Some like this is new stuff. Like
yeah, so the sort of sports quick dry. Ah, perfect. And then you got the
starting 1-year-old go up to 15-year-old.
And they're really good for this time of year where it's still a bit chilly, but you don't want anything too thick. You got some perfumes as well.
Yes.
So I'll show you guys. So you got your Burberry, you got your Chanel, Dior, Victoria's Secret, Paco Rabanne, Dior.
And this is the thick material t-shirt like. Blingy one.
Ah yeah, you got your Icon, yeah, Dior, D squared. Absolutely lovely. And then you've got your menswear, so you've got your sort of tracksuits, hoodies.
Yes, this is the men's tracksuits, all us, and this is the I have men's jumpers as well, like short set, football top.
Yeah, again, got your North Face shorts, your pocket zippers and everything. Got your Nike. Again, in the UK, if you're getting Nike shorts, this is a steal. How much are these ones for the Nike shorts?
£10.
So there you go, £10 compared to what you'd get at home. And then you've got your sports tops as well. So your football jerseys.
And I have a like short and t-shirt set as well for men.
Yeah.
Also the one.
There you go. Nice lightweight. And then yeah, you got the shorts to match.
Yes.
And how much are those ones?
£20.
£20.
Yes, I have a like.
And it's that dry fit, isn't it? So it's that nice, yeah.
I have a lot of brands, Bergaus, Monterex, Nike, Under Armour.
Under Armour, all of it. And then you've got your polo tops as well. Polo, all of that. And then you've got your sort of more thicker jackets. So you've got your Formula One.
Waterproof.
Yeah.
This is the Formula
Keep you warm as well.
Yes, of course, 1-to-1 now.
Yeah, Ferrari. Very, very nice.
Nice jumpers as well.
Yeah. Got the more sort of high neck with the zip if you don't want a hoodie. And then you've got some bikinis here as well. So also for the ladies, got your nice bright colours, leopard print, got your Chanel, Louis.
And I have an extra as well.
Yeah, let's have a look.
Shop. £5 shop like.
So this is more for the bargains.
Yes,
yeah. So that's for the kids. You've got your beach towels.
This is the £5 shop, like that was £5.
Yeah.
All
Got your
parfums.
socks. Yeah. All the essentials basically.
Right. Parfum is £5. I have over here dry fit t-shirt is £5 as well.
Nice. And you've got some more like sports tops. And then again, you've got some of the sort of more blingy ones as well. So for the women, sort of Louis Vuitton, Moschino. And you've got your hoodies and stuff. And this is all 5,
Yes.
which is an absolute steal. So yeah, really, really big bargains here. Really nice. And this is in Icmeler. So if you guys are coming to Icmeler, make sure you get yourself to Andy's. Get yourself a bargain. So we're just on the main high street, Icmeler, and we're at Yaman Shoes. Everything is 20. So we're going to take a look. So let's see Wagwan. You all know the vibe. So again, everything is 20. So you've got all your designer. So you've got your Crocs, your Burberry, your sandals. You've got all your Nike, your full selection of all the different Nike trainers, just to show you. You've got your New Balance, all the different colours. They come on obviously every size. You've got your sliders, you've got your Boss, your Adidas, Nike, Crocs. Got kids as well. And then you've got the more sort of designer. So you've got your Lacoste, you've got your Air Max, you've got your Prada. So you've got them in the black, got them in the white. Got all the different variations. If you want the comfort, obviously you've got the Skechers. So you've got your sort of nice walking shoes. You've got your Adidas. Got all the different sort of colours. You've got your sort of like gazelles, all the different ones. Got your Sambas. So again, you've got all the sort of selection. Then again, you've got the more sort of upper with your Dior, Hugo, the sort of more designer. And then you've got all the cute little kiddie trainers. You've got your boots, if you don't want trainers. And then you've got more of the sort of dressier sandals. So you've got your sort of like your Louis, got the more sort of Prada. And then you've got your Doc Martens. So your more sort of comfy, nice shoes, your Uggs. And then you've got your gazelles as well. You've got the platform ones. So you've got all the sort of selection. You've got your nice little Birkenstocks, all the different colours. You've got your different variations of your Uggs as well. So you've got the sort of closed off, you've got the sandals, the slide-ons, you've got the Ugg trainers, the platforms, all the different colours, and then you've got more the slipper side. So yeah, you've got loads of variation, and again, everything is at £20. So if you guys are in Icmeler and you're taking a little wander, come down to Yaman, get your shoes, get a bargain, make sure you come with an empty suitcase so you can fill it up with all your goodies and go home happy, because you're not going to get these deals back home. And again, got your more dressy and fancy ones. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, really does help push the content. And don't forget to mention Wagwan when you come in here. See you guys on the next one.